You have to work. Nothing is free in the United States. So I should say thank you, Pakistan government, and the scholarship you are offering, and our students will enjoy. This is a nice collaboration. Here the new corridor is opening. The relation of Pakistan and Bangladesh will take a new phase. You see, our religion, our culture, our heritage, our food, everything. We have so many similarities, and we used to have one countries. Anyway, we are now two different countries. We could have our competitions. I see our pieces and all these academicians sitting in front of me. I think in near future we will offer the same scholarship, vice versa, from Pakistan to Bangladesh also. Am I right? In the year 1992, our late Prime Minister, she was so much interested for private education in the university sector. And right now we have almost 116 universities, and few are coming in the way. So we have 57 public universities. Our universities are also doing good, but student and teacher exchange program is very, very good, and I wish it will continue to extend our collaboration with Pakistan and Bangladesh. There was a MU joint degree program, Pakistan academician and Bangladeshi academician. Yes, in future we could go for this joint collaboration and student exchange program. This would be very excellent for us. Anyway, the selection method you are now in is very good. You are taking exam. As the Minister of Education, we have a program. We give a lot of scholarship to the student selected by us, but this is the different than others. They took the exam, and the qualified are taking the chances. So I wish our student, you will have a chance to go to Pakistan and go for higher education. They have a very beautiful university. I never been there, but I know there are good universities and qualified universities. So I wish our student will participate in the exam, and we'll try to help. Our secretary is here, and we'll try to give our hands and help to take your exam in better way. Indeed, you need anything from us, we'll cooperate with you. Our students, you see, you have the opportunity to study abroad in Pakistan without any